If you're not one for typing but you still need documents written, you could just use the audio typing method available here in Google Docs. So here is a brand new blank document that I've created in Google Docs already, and all we're going to do is go up to Tools and choose voice typing. Now, I did actually practice with this before, so the microphone has already received permission to be accessed by Google Docs. You might still need to click allow. So let's click the button, which opens up a little mini dialog box or mini window over here on the left hand side, and all I need to do, you can see at the moment it's black, which means it's not actually doing anything at the moment. I'm just going to click on it, and I've got some text here ready to read out and see how it does. You might recognise it, it's actually the first page of Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. So let's give this a go. It's gone red, and that's telling me it's ready to go. Oh, there we go. Paragraph mark. It's not doing too bad, but I'm going to stop this and get rid of that, because actually what I really want is to just read out the example that I've given you. I've got ready for you. So let's give this a go. I'm going to press red. I'm going to press the option again, and let's start reading. It is a truth universally acknowledged that a single man in possession of a good fortune must be in want of a wife. However little known the feelings or views of such a man may be on his first entering a neighbourhood, this truth is so well fixed in the minds of the surrounding families that he is considered as the rightful property of someone or other of their daughters. I've stopped recording so that I can speak to you. You can see it's actually done pretty well. A couple of weird capitalizations. However, one thing that it hasn't done is any punctuation. So if you're going to be using this as a recording to actually type everything in, you've got two choices. You can either go back if you want to and edit it and put all of the punctuation in, or you need to type it yourself, or you need to record it yourself. As with most things, I have actually looked this up, and you can see that actually there's loads of punctuation that you can do. So the ones that you will need to be aware of are things like full stop, comma, and new paragraph. That's what I was trying to remember earlier. So let's have a go. Full stop, comma, new paragraph. I'm going to manually hit return, and we'll record again. It is a truth universally acknowledged, comma, that a single man in possession of a good fortune, comma, must be in want of a wife, full stop, new paragraph. However little known the feelings or views of such a man may be on his first entering a neighbourhood, comma, this truth is so well fixed in the minds of the surrounding families, comma, that he is considered as the rightful property of someone or other of their daughters, full stop, new paragraph. You can see that again, maybe it's not picking up as perfectly as you might expect, but bearing in mind what dictation used to be like, and this is part of our free application, I think it's pretty good. So don't forget, it is under the Tools menu, and it's under, if the mouse stops moving, voice typing, and you can see Control, Shift and S. And I will also add a link to the web page with all of the punctuation so that you can see what you've got. Hi, I'm Michelle, and I'm your tech trainer, here to help you save time and work faster and smarter with your everyday tech. Please, if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell to be notified of any new videos as they're posted up.